They say humans are the smartest species on Earth, capable of incredible problem-solving, creativity, and innovation. But what if I told you that intelligence isn't just a human trait? What if some animals are far more clever than we ever imagined? Across the animal kingdom, there are creatures that challenge our understanding of intelligence. Birds that use tools like expert engineers, sea creatures that execute daring escapes from impossible traps, and even unexpected geniuses like pigs and elephants that display astonishing problem-solving skills. Some of these animals might even outsmart us in ways we never thought possible. So buckle up, because number 5 will blow your mind. First up, crows. The feathered Einsteins. These birds are not just your average scavengers. They're known for their incredible problem-solving skills and even use tools to get what they want. Crows are part of the corvid family, which includes ravens and magpies, and they're considered some of the smartest birds on the planet. In one famous experiment, a crow named Betty was given a straight wire and a tube with food inside. Without any training, Betty bent the wire into a hook to fish out the food. That's right, she invented a tool on the spot. But that's not all. Crows have been observed dropping nuts onto busy roads so that cars will crack them open, and then waiting for the traffic lights to turn red before safely retrieving their snack. Talk about street smarts. And it doesn't stop there. Crows can recognize human faces, hold grudges, and even teach other crows about potential threats. Some studies suggest they might be as smart as a 7-year-old human child. They also have excellent memories and can plan for the future. Mind-blowing, right? Next, let's talk about octopuses, the escape artists of the sea. These 8-armed wonders are masters of disguise and problem-solving. Did you know they can unscrew jars, solve mazes, and even escape from their tanks and aquariums? Octopuses are part of the cephalopod family, and their intelligence is unlike anything else in the ocean. In one famous case, an octopus named Otto at a German aquarium kept short-circuiting the lights by squirting water at them. Why? Because he was bored. Aquarium staff had to constantly come up with new ways to keep him entertained. Octopuses are also known for their incredible ability to camouflage themselves, changing their color and texture to blend into their surroundings in a matter of seconds. They can even mimic other animals, like sea snakes or lionfish, to scare off predators. And get this, they have brains in their arms. That's right, each arm can think for itself, which allows them to multitask like no other animal. Octopuses are so intelligent that some scientists argue they might even dream. How cool is that? Now, let's dive into the ocean to meet dolphins, the ocean's geniuses. These playful creatures are not just cute, they're incredibly intelligent. Dolphins have their own complex language, can recognize themselves in mirrors, and even understand abstract concepts like zero. They're part of the cetacean family, which includes whales and porpoises, and they're known for their social behavior and problem-solving skills. In Australia, some dolphins use sponges to protect their noses while foraging on the ocean floor. This behavior is passed down from mother to calf, showing that dolphins have culture, something we once thought was unique to humans. Dolphins also have a strong sense of empathy. They've been known to help injured dolphins and even humans in distress. In one famous case, a pod of dolphins formed a protective circle around a surfer who was being threatened by sharks. Dolphins are also incredible communicators. They use a series of clicks, whistles, and body language to convey complex messages. Scientists believe their intelligence is on par with great apes, making them one of the smartest animals on the planet. Now let's talk about chimpanzees. These incredible primates are our closest living relatives, sharing about 98% of our DNA. Chimpanzees are not only incredibly intelligent, but also exhibit behaviors that are strikingly similar to humans. They use tools, communicate with complex vocalizations, and even have a sense of self-awareness. One of the most famous examples of chimpanzee intelligence is their ability to use tools. In the wild, chimpanzees have been observed using sticks to fish for termites, using leaves as sponges to drink water, and even using rocks to crack open nuts. They also pass these skills down to younger generations, showing that they have a form of culture. Chimpanzees are also one of the few animals that can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness. They've been known to plan for the future, cooperate with each other, and even show empathy. In one study, chimpanzees were observed comforting each other after a conflict, showing that they understand emotions and social bonds. Chimpanzees are a reminder of how closely connected we are to the animal kingdom. Their intelligence and social behaviors are truly remarkable. Now, let's talk about pigs. These animals are often underestimated, but they're actually incredibly smart. In fact, pigs are as intelligent as dogs, and even some primates. They're quick learners and can solve complex puzzles, recognize their names, and even play video games. Pigs have excellent long-term memories and can remember tasks they learned years ago. They're also highly social animals, forming close bonds with other pigs and even humans. Studies have shown that pigs can use mirrors to find hidden food, a skill that only a few animals possess. So, the next time someone calls you a pig, take it as a compliment. They're calling you a genius. Next, let's meet parrots. These colorful birds are famous for their ability to mimic human speech, but they're much more than just talkers. Parrots, like the famous African gray named Alex, can understand complex concepts, count, and even use words creatively. Alex could identify colors, shapes, and even understand the concept of zero. He could also express his desires, like asking for a specific food or toy. Parrots are also excellent problem solvers and can use tools to achieve their goals. Parrots are proof that intelligence comes in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Now, let's talk about rats, the misunderstood geniuses. These animals often get a bad rap, but they're actually incredibly intelligent. Rats are excellent problem solvers and can navigate complex mazes with ease. They're also highly social and show empathy toward other rats. In one study, rats were observed freeing other rats from cages, even when there was no reward for doing so. This shows that rats have a sense of empathy and altruism, traits we often associate with humans. Rats are proof that intelligence can be found in the most unexpected places. Now, here's an animal you probably didn't expect to see on this list. Pigeons. These birds are often seen as just city dwellers or messengers, but they're actually incredibly intelligent. Pigeons have an amazing ability to navigate and find their way home over incredibly long distances, even from places they've never been before. Pigeons have been used in experiments to test their cognitive abilities, and the results are astonishing. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, understand the concept of time, and even learn to distinguish between different styles of art, like Monet and Picasso. They've also been trained to perform complex tasks, like identifying cancerous tissue in medical images, something even humans struggle with. So, the next time you see a pigeon, don't underestimate it. These birds are way smarter than they get credit for. Finally, let's talk about bees, the tiny architects. These tiny insects are master architects and communicators. Bees build intricate hives with perfect hexagonal cells, and they use a complex waggle dance to communicate the location of food sources to other bees. Bees can also recognize human faces and solve puzzles to access food. They work together as a highly organized colony, with each bee playing a specific role. Without bees, our ecosystems would collapse, making them some of the most important and intelligent creatures on Earth. Bees are a reminder that even the smallest creatures can have a big impact. So, what do you think? Are we really the smartest species on Earth? Or are these animals catching up? Let me know in the comments which one blew your mind the most. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-blowing animal facts. See you next time.